welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. In this class we will learn class 1, that is basics of circuit. So let's understand the step. Input is our eyes, control system is our brain, output is our hand. This is sensor, this is buzzer, this is screwdriver, this is LED, this is breadboard, this is nano cable. This is jumper wire. In jumper wire we have two wires, like one male to male jumper wire and another is male to female jumper wire. So what is circuit? Circuit is battery gives to power to the LED, that is circuit. So let's make a circuit. For this you need one breadboard, nano cable, two male to male jumper wire and one LED. The first step is connect nano to your laptop. Second step is giving power to your breadboard. Take one jumper wire and put it on A12 to positive and G12 to negative. So let's connect. The third step is connecting the LED to breadboard. So always remember big leg to positive and short leg to negative. So you can see the LED is glowing. Thank you guys. Bye bye.